Hi there, I'm Grant Ward. I'm a principal sales engineer with Perforce Delphix. I've spent many years helping customers solve complex data use cases. Today, we're specifically going to look at how does data regulations, specifically GDPR, affect me, and how do we ensure that the data that we're providing to developers and testers is made compliant. Please don't forget to check out additional videos released by the Perforce Delphix team highlighting other use cases that the Delphix platform can provide. How does Delphix work? Delphix ingests data from any source. These sources are typically production environments. Delphix then profiles this data for any sensitive values and then masks those sensitive values with realistic data that contains referential integrity. Delphix can then virtualize your data by giving you an unlimited number of copies of these that are available in a test data library. These can then be accessed by your data consumers via self-service. Delphix also has an intelligent API integration layer that allows you to automate us within any of your existing data pipelines today. Global enterprises that manage data that includes personal information of EU residents must comply with GDPR. Delphix's data masking solution provides an automated, robust approach to safeguarding sensitive information. This also applies to other regulations like PCI DSS, HIPAA, DORA, and the EU AI Act, to name a few. We've also seen a 75% increase in the sensitive information in lower environments in the last year alone. Delphix helps you by being able to profile your production environments to find where the sensitive data is. It looks at both metadata and data in order to look for patterns that match that sensitivity. Once the profiling has been completed, Delphix masking algorithms will then mask data, keeping it realistic and maintaining referential integrity between the data sets managed under the Delphix platform. Delphix further helps enhancing security through its deployment model. In this diagram, you can see two Delphix engines deployed, one in production and one in non-production. And leveraging Delphix's replication protocol, we're able to mask data in production and move it across to the non-production engine where all virtual database copies are created from. Let's deep dive into masking a bit and look at a demonstration of how this works in practice. Let's start with our data insights. Within Delphix's data control tower, we provide you a data at risk report. This gives you an overall view of your entire data landscape, from what data types we're working with here, whether this is databases or files, whether the environment has been profiled, whether it contains sensitive information, and whether masking has been applied to that environment or not. This will give you an overall scoring report here of all of your data connections at risk within your environment. Very important to be able to provide this sort of information to your governance and InfoSec teams. Switching over to the Delphix masking engine itself. Again, this environment is controlled through role-based access control, and you can control what users are allowed to do within the masking environment. Once I'm logged into the masking environment, I'm provided with the opportunity to work with profile sets. You'll see Delphix has already configured a number of profile sets for you out of the box, including GDPR, which is what we're talking about here today. This allows you to group the classifications related to data that you want to manage under GDPR regulations. We also provide our automatic sensitive data discovery standard out of the box as well. For profiling, Delphix leverages classifiers. Again, out of the box, we provide you with standard classifiers for all the types of data that you can imagine, from names, surnames, addresses, ages, dates of birth, international bank accounts, etc. You can also add your own classifiers to this mix as well for specific data types that are applicable to your organization only, for example, customer IDs. The classifiers uses a framework where you can identify what sort of data is sensitive by looking at the metadata in the database. You can look at the data types across the tables and the columns, We can also go as far as profiling the data, the rows of data in the database itself as well, to infer what would be sensitive according to certain pattern matching criteria. Once these classifiers have been selected, they automatically will determine the domain where the sensitive data resides in, whether it's an account number, a name, and a surname. Delphix provides you with a multitude of algorithms out of the box. As you can see, I'm scrolling through here, how many are available to you. It's also very easy to add your own algorithms to the mix as well. Within the algorithm, we leverage an algorithm framework, which allows you to manipulate the output of the data into any form that you need it to be. We also allow you to have an extended algorithm framework, which allows you to develop your own custom algorithms using the Delphix SDK if you so wish to. Finally, and quite importantly, everything in the Delphix masking environment is monitored and logged. You get information on job executions, what data has been profiled, what data is sensitive and non-sensitive, and all the outputs from the various masking jobs is also available to send to your internal governance and InfoSec teams that need to monitor compliance against those regulations. Hope you enjoyed that. Please reach out to us if you have data or compliance challenges that you would like to discuss, and we can show you how we can deliver a return on investment in 6 months. Thank you for your time today.